Everyone, stay down! Protect your heads! Stay close to me. We are safe together.
Hold my hand, Jasmine.
Wow, this hotel is beautiful!
Yes, Jason. We are going to have a great family trip.
Look, Jason! The cars are so small. They look like toys. Wow!
Wait, did you feel that?
Feel what?
Mom! The floor is moving!
Everyone, stay down! Protect your heads! Stay close to me. We are safe together.
Hold my hand, Jasmine.
Hold my hand, Jasmine.
Dad, why are the lights off?
The power is out. Stay close. Jason!
Jason! Where are you?
Dad, I'm here!
Jason, keep talking. I am coming.
Dad, I can hear you! Dad, I am scared.
I am here, Jason. Do not worry.
Dad!
I found you. You are safe.
Thank goodness you found him.
We stay together now.
Is it over?
Almost. Stay calm. Everyone is okay.
Yes, we are together.
Is everyone okay? Yes, we are all together.
We are outside!
Yes, we are safe.
Nothing is more important than our family.
I am so happy we are together. I will never forget this day.
What matters is that we stayed together.
I love our family.